Welcome to Lakewood Theatre. I have come from the coast up to Madison, Maine. This is the Lakewood Theatre, beginning productions way back in the 1920s, 30s, 40s. This was a summer theater, and it still is a summer theater now. They have a lot of locals that are in productions. Unfortunately, I can't get inside, I don't think, but I'm going to walk around the outside. This is on Lake Wessarunset. As you can see, we have a handicap entrance here. It's really beautiful. The grounds are beautiful. It was closed for quite a while until a local group took it over and decided to bring it back, which they have done a marvelous job. You can see there's plenty of parking. There were many outbuildings. A lot of them were for the actors and actresses to stay in. They have sold a lot of those off now. This is kind of the back of the theater. A lot of props, I would say, up there. I remember years and years ago they had an auction that a friend and I came up to and were able to get a couple of memorabilia things. There are a lot of famous actors and actresses that came here. Humphrey Bogart, Betty White, Mickey Rooney, Milton Berle, Vincent Price, Jessica Tandy, Dorothy Stickney. This is one of the outer buildings here where people would stay. Across the way they now have a restaurant, which was also part of Lakewood. I just noticed quite a few people going in. George M. Cohan played here. Alan Alda played here. Red Buttons. We have some friendly geese over here on the lawn, Canadian geese, and you can see the lake. Which is very close to the theater. There are outer buildings over here on this side too. Eva Gabor, and a lot of your Broadway people, Bernadette Peters, Rita Moreno, Carol Channing, William Shatner, Phyllis Diller. More recent actor would be Alan Alda. John Travolta. It was a major summer tryout for productions that they wanted to do on Broadway. And Lakewood achieved national attention in 1925. Life with Father premiered at Lakewood in 1939 and went on to a long run on Broadway. John Travolta's signature appearance was in Bus Stop, and he still has his signature on the dressing room wall. I'm gonna see if I can, the door looks like it's ajar. I'm gonna just see if I can walk in. Hopefully we won't get in trouble. is open. This is an old playbill, I would say. One of the offices. Stairs that go up to the men's room, and then on the other side is the ladies' room. This is the theater itself. It has that nice old musty smell. And they have a balcony. Nice sign. I've had several friends be in plays here. We just had an ed tech that was in one just a few weeks ago with her son. There's a lot of local talent. And it's so nice that they brought it back. Some of the old equipment. Get my reflection. The old lights. Let's see, we'll head up the stairs to the balcony. It's pretty exciting to think that there were so many famous people here. Yeah, and this is the balcony. Days of time gone by, for sure. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around this way. And there's a stairway up to the balcony there. Guess this must be for people to display things. Well, I'm gonna head back on outside. This looks like this might be an original globe up there. So this is the Lakewood Theatre in Madison, Maine. Too hard to see, actually. Founder of Lakewood. The glare from the window. And 25 seasons. Very nice. Well, and as I said, across the street is a restaurant. Going in, so they must be having a brunch of some kind. But anyway, I'm gonna sign off. My name is Lisa, and this has been fun. I remember my grandmother talking about coming up here when I was probably about 7 or 8. So So take care. Have a wonderful day.